I'm here at my workplace, my second home. I'll walk you through Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
It's a two-story building. Here's the front. I'll walk you around the building. Here's the front of the building.
Thank you.
Freeway that you're seeing is the 59 freeway. On the right of this video is right there, Highway 90. So this is a beautiful place to work. Easy access to the freeway. Yeah. Busy street. Yan ang aming landscaping. Yan. Aming bulletin or monument. This is the front parking lot. Medyo yung aming landscaper hindi masyadong malinis. I will call them later to clean it up. Aming mga dried leaves. Meron kaming basement or parking garage. Yan. Taas na araw, nakasunog. Hanggang ngayon may sunburn pa ako after the burial cleanup. Talagang tostado ang balat ko. Kitang-kita ang kaitim ha. Nasunog ako ng gusto. Almost 2 weeks I'm fixing this, fixing that. Calls from the tenant. It's really hard. Yan, itong back parking lot. Tapos dun sa kabila merong side entrance to the building. Yeah. Ito tayo sa basement. Ito ang aming garage entrance. Yeah. Maaga pa kaya maya sunod-sunod na pasok ng mga tao dito. Ayan, paikot dyan, ikutin natin. Maya dating ng mga tenants and employees. By the way, this is a professional building. Lawyers, psychiatrists, psychologists, insurance, lawyers, accounting. So, lahat ng ano mo, halos nandito na. We got 43,000 square feet lot area. So, yeah, ito ang aking magandang truck na luma na 2016 model. Yan ang aking space. Yan kuha namin to basic. Ako na nag-upgrade, naglagay ng mga accessories na yan, nilagyan ko ng running board. Ang mga lights niya is LEDs na, hindi na factory. Ako na rin naglagay ng fog lamp na yan. Ito, pati itong light na to. Nakahiligan ko lang mag-upgrade ng truck. Yan. Nilagyan ko rin siya ng cover sa likod. Ganda, no? Yan. Yan ang favorite team ko. Yan. Houston Astros. Meron kaming elevator leading to first floor and second floor. Yan. Naglagay ako ng citronella. Medyo malamok. After that barrel hurricane, ang lamok eh, parang kala mo eh, can cover the whole wall. Yan ang aming elevator. Yan. Yan ang ating magandang truck. Yan, so yan. Yan ang aming elevator that leads to second floor. Ika tayo. Yeah. Yeah. Going to second floor. Yeah. Itsura ng second floor. Natin. We got 45 tenants now. I've been working here for the last 10 years exactly in April. Yeah. Mahirap magtrabaho as a facility manager is ang mga tenant, ang hirap. Pati employees may kanya-kanyang gusto. Minsan nakaka-stress out. Di ba? Ayan. Ayun. Kapagod yan. Bigay mo 43 tenants ang hinaharap ko every day. Tapos, aside from the tenants, the employees, ako lang mag-isa nag-ano nito. Pag hindi ko kaya, natawag kami ng assistant ko. Baka one of these days, mag-hire ako ng assistant. Nahihirapan na ako. Minsan sunod-sunod ang tawag in a day. Minsan nakaka 20-25 calls ako, repair this, repair that. Pag hindi ko kaya, tawag tayo ng contractor. Dito na rin ako natuto ng lahat. Magpalit ng ballast, mag-plumbing. Napaka hirap ng trabaho. Pero okay na rin, blessing yan. Kesa sa walang trabaho. Nakakapagod din sang araw uwi na kami. Yan, bababa tayo sa first floor. And go down on first floor. Yun. Yan ang aming back entrance. Yan ang aming lobby waiting area. Pag gusto magpalamig, mag-enjoy ka dyan. May skylight tayo, 3 skylight natin. Yan ang aming mga indoor plants. Laking pagbabago. Isa-isahin natin, ikot tayo. May mga pharmacy kami. I think 5 ata ang pharmacy namin dito. Napakaganda. May travel agency. Ayan. Insurance company. Ayan ang mga doktor. Mga lawyer. Ayan, mga lawyer. Ito mga investors. Kung gusto mong humingi na idea, diyan ka makakakuha. Yan, ito yung kaninang inumpisahan natin yung video. Umiikot tayo. Ayan. Dami nitong tenant na to. Grabe. So may accounting tayo. Accountants. Ayan. Ito meron mga realtors. Ayan. Ito naman ang mga home health. See? Mga home health. Ito ang Homeowners Association ng Subdivision Sugar Creek. Yan, itong aming restrooms. Ayun. Ayan. Ayan, si Edgar. Ayan. Ganda, di ba? Linis. Papalit tayo mamaya ng ilaw. Medyo pundi yung ilaw dito. Yan. Good morning. There's a puppy on the fence. Yun. Inikot natin kanina sa labas. Yan ang wheelchair lift. Wheelchair lift namin aside from the elevator for the handicaps. Yan, medyo marami siya. Ayan, mga handicap, mga may wheelchair dito napasok. Mamaya linisin natin yan. Okay. Okay, sige, thank you.